Mastering the phrase, sneer. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a very expressive word in the English language, sneer. You might have come across this term in literature, movies, or everyday conversations. Let's break it down and truly understand what it means. Sneer can be both a verb and a noun. 1. As a verb, it means to smile, speak, or express in a contemptuous or mocking manner. 2. Example: she sneered at the idea that they could win. 3. As a noun, it refers to a contemptuous or mocking smile, remark, or tone. 4. Example: he had a sneer of disgust on his face. A sneer is not just any regular smile. It has a distinct touch of scorn or disdain. When someone sneers, their facial expression might convey disapproval, contempt, mockery. Imagine someone looking at something they consider inferior or ridiculous. The way they might slightly curl their lip and raise their eyebrows can be a sign of sneering. Here are some sample sentences to give you a clearer idea. 1. His sneer made it evident he didn't believe a word she said. 2. Every time the topic came up, she would sneer and change the subject. 3. Despite the critics' sneers, the film became a blockbuster. Remember, a sneer doesn't always have to be negative. In some contexts, it might also signify disbelief or surprise. And there you have it, the essence of the word sneer. Whether you're reading a book, watching a show, or simply having a chat, now you can confidently recognize and use this expressive term. We hope this deep dive has illuminated yet another intriguing corner of the English language for you. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.